Hello guys and welcome to my channel. It's the one and only Phenomenal Code, back again with another COD Mobile video. And in today's video I'm not going to review a gun or simply a mode, but I'm going to level it up a bit and I'm going to review the season 8 of COD Mobile. We have been waiting for this season a long time and now we have finally got it. Now let's see the battle pass first, then I'll show you the events and the seasonal challenges. Then we'll go into the new map from Modern Warfare 2, that is the High Rise map. Let's go into the battle pass. We have received many messages from COD Mobile that we will be getting the most jam-packed 50 tiers yet. But I'm a little disappointed for those who are not going to be buying the battle pass and are dependent on the free battle pass. Well, however, if you want to buy the battle pass, this one is really nice. On the first tier, you are going to get Tank Dempsey Wrecker skin. Then the KN44 Living Rust. There is an avatar. Then you've got the first tank skin in the game. And I forgot to tell you that the Tank Dempsey skin is actually not the legendary as we expected it to be. After that we got some COD points. For free to play players we got some credits. Then I don't know, I don't like this skin, Wasteland Red. Who uses it? Then okay, this is the Regged skin, similar to Tank Dempsey. This is also logged, and there goes another CP. This is for free to play players. It's not a good skin. I don't know why they keep giving us skins of equipment in BR, because we can't actually see it. It doesn't matter what you put up. If you don't even have a skin on any of your equipments in BR, it doesn't matter. Then there's the Wrecker parachute again. Then we've got this gun. I like this gun, like MW11 Living Rust. It looks nice. Then CP, and this is the Reaper Grinder skin. I really like it. It looks evil. It looks like if it comes to life, it's gonna destroy everything. After that, for the free to play players, we've got some credits. Then a new perk that we've got, that is the Shrapnel. Spawn with extra piece of lethal equipment. Explosive damage delays enemy health regeneration, which is pretty impressive, and I'm down to using this one. After that, we've got another avatar for the Reaper. Then another skin, CP, then another skin. This is the lashed frame if you're gonna be buying the battle pass. Then there is the HG40 Living Rust. That also looks nice. Then we've got the DRH for the free players. We have been waiting for this gun also for a long time. It's really nice, like look at it. There's the D8 sign on its magazine. It looks really nice. I love it. I'm down to using this gun. I'm really excited to use this gun. Then we've got some CP, some credits, then the J358 Regged, then a DRV skin, then an Antelope A20 skin, CP again, parachute, okay, Regged M4, then another skin, Prophet Duskball. Actually, I don't like any of the Prophet skins, because he's a little, it doesn't look good. He actually looks kind of thick. After that, we've got a bike skin, Wasteland Red, CP, credits, parachute, then Living Rust M4. Okay, nice. Then we've got this, a knife with Desperate Measures skin. Actually, I really like the Desperate Measures skin. It's really nice. If you're getting it for free, then it's really nice. We are getting it for free in the seasonal events, I guess. Then we've got the CP again. A free calling card, which looks like there's a skull on a Hot Wheels car. I don't know what that is. Then we've got Faro Regged. I don't know why, but they are, just introducing skins that are kind of similar. I think that this one looks similar to the Asian Viper skin, kind of. I don't know. You can let me know in the comment section below. Then we've got this skin, AK-117 Kit Bag. I didn't know that it was an AK-117 skin, but still, like, I want this skin. I want to buy the battle pass, however I cannot, because I'm just a free to play player. However, those of you who like the AK-117, I guess you're gonna like this skin as well. Then there's the Desperate Measures PDW, then COD points, then credits, a backpack, Regged, okay, nice, a skin with Living Rust, XPR 50 Desperate Measures. Like, that's nice. Then actually the gun is trash, the skin is nice. Then there's CP and FHJ skin. I'm just gonna move on, I don't want this. And we got an emote. I love emotes. I gotta see this one. Rage Quit. That looks nice. And it actually suits on Tank Dempsey, you know. Then we got a free RUS79U Desperate Measure skin. And then on the 50 tiers we are getting the Kruger Reaper along with the DRH Chained. And then we've got this frame, chained frame, then a calling card, Hot Metal, which is a legendary calling card, and above that we're gonna be getting some credits. This was the battle pass of season 8. The music is not changed, which does not bring a new, a feel to the game. However, the background is changed, and I'm gonna show you the events now. We're gonna go into the daily cumulative login right now, and this is all the these are the all rewards that you can get. The only thing that is good in this is this skin, Battery Wasteland Warrior. It's actually not that nice to be an epic skin, but still, if you guys are desperate to have a new skin in your loadout, my noob friends, then this skin may be for you because you can use it. It looks like a pro skin. This looks really good. Erin Baker. Okay. Other than that, we just have a knife, parachute again, and I can't see anything very nice in it, so I'm just gonna move on. We have an S36 skin. Seriously, who uses an S36? And an Arctic 50 skin. That doesn't matter. Then we're gonna go into seasonal. In seasonal, we've got the first one, Maximum Efficiency, where we are getting the HBR A3 Persisted skin along with an Inferno calling card. We got to do a lot of things for getting this one. However, I will try to do it because I want to get this one. Like, I literally love it. I'm in love with this because this skin is the original HBR A3, the common one, and yet it looks better than the Dragon Dance, the Skulls and Blood, the Persisted, like all the camos I've seen up till now in the game of HBR. And after that, we're getting the HBR A3 Persisted skin, which is kind of American. However, I don't like it. Maybe Captain America skin, you can call it. Then we've got the Master Operator, where we will be getting a Takeoff calling card. We've got to do a lot of things. You are also getting a DLQ33 Arctic Digital skin if you guys want another skin on DL. Then Survival of the Fittest, probably for BR players. We are getting this calling card along with the Faro Sight Unseen camo. I don't like this camo, it looks goofy. So actually this one is for BR players, so I don't think I will be doing this one. However, I will try to do it so that I can show you the gameplay of the Faro Sight Unseen skin. Then we go into featured, where the Juggernaut Mania contains the J358 Stream skin. Then we are getting this frame that looks deadly. Then after that, we're gonna be getting this skin, M4 LMG Sight Unseen. It looks nice, I mean on the M4 LMG, but on the Faro it looks goofy, it looks bad. Then High Rise Brawl and the Knife Stream, bad as it is. Conclusion, no, why would someone want this? Then we've got another Captain America skin, LK24 Persisted. It looks like a kid's toy. I don't like this skin at all. Then after that, we are going to be seeing the store. There are some crates available right now. There is the Junk Punk crate. They've ruined Locus in it. They have just made it look like somebody broke it, and then in the fear that somebody will beat him for breaking it, he just fixed it. Then we have MSMC Scrap Metal. What? Why are they writing it as an MSMC Scrap Metal? That's a Faro. Let me know in the comment section down below, but I feel like that's a Faro. Look at its side, it's a Faro. And it's saying MSMC Scrap Metal. It's the same gun, right? What? I don't know what to say on that. After that, we've got the nuclear fallout crate. Okay, that's the ICR-1 nuclear fallout. Then we got RUS nuclear fallout. Then we've got J358 and grenades. I'm not gonna show you the grenades. It doesn't matter. Then we've got Ruin Goblin skin. Okay, Goblin King skin. That's, I don't know, it looks tribal. And then we've got Ruin Boom Scroll skin and another emote, Backyard Boogie. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Whoa. I would like to have that in my loadout. However, I cannot buy a crate, so I'll just forget about it. Then we've got the mashed together crate with Prophet Desolate and the Merc 2 Desolate. And these are the rest. Then I'm gonna show you the credits for free to play players. We've got RUS Moonstone, and then we've got Type 25 Cyberspace, which we had earlier. Then we have BK57 Strapped. It looks kind of nice because it's a clean skin. And then we've got Striker Revated Green. That's, I don't know, I don't want to comment on that. Then we've got Backpack Asian Viper. That really goes well with my Elite PMC, but I've got a Going Dark crate. So, and I have got the Going Dark backpack, so I don't think I will be using this one. Then the rest of them are just older ones. Maybe this one, AK-47 Dark Fiber. Nice. Okay. However, now I'm gonna show you the multiplayer. Okay, so Devil Assassin is here. Now we're gonna be playing the High Rise. It's from Modern Warfare 2. I have played at least 3 matches on it up till now, and I'm not. It's a small map, but still I'm not comfortable with it right now. So just consider me a noob right now. And yeah, thank you Nova Gamer for telling me to make more videos and liking my videos and subscribing to the channel. Thank you. Okay. Okay, Domination, High Rise. I've not played Domination on it. Like, it's a really small map. It's like playing Domination on a place as small as on a place like Nuketown. Wait, was that a Dell computer? I don't know. It's gonna be close quarter combat, so I'm just gonna keep at the AK-117. I also found a glitch that I actually found kind of impressive. So I will just show you this right now. Enemy in sight. Yeah.
Oh, भाई ब्रावो जा रहा है, ब्रावो बचाओ समझ.
Yeah,
भाई ब्रावो बचाओ, ब्रावो जा रहा है, ब्रावो नहीं जा रहा.
Sorry bro, I couldn't do that. Sorry.
भाई बहुत मेरा one of the favorite मैप हो गया यार ये. मुझे बहुत पसंद आया, इसकी मैप की ग्राफिक्स बहुत बढ़िया लगी मुझे.
Really, I think I like the Rust actually more. I like Rust more than this one. Okay, I saw this.
ओ भाई मदद करो. अरे यार भाई ब्रावो पे भाई कभी भी अकेले नहीं जाना चाहिए. मैं आज डिक्लेयर कर रहा हूँ ये चीज. यार मतलब क्या होता.
Thanks for declaring that.
मजाक होता है ब्रावो का तो. ओ भाई डोमिनेट हो रहे हैं यार हम लोग. शिट. We will dominated.
Somebody come on Bravo, please. Help me take Bravo. Okay, what? There is even a place to come down from downstairs to the Bravo point. I didn't know that. I thought who was shooting at me from the wall. I didn't know that there was a way to go through there also. What the... I'm gonna seriously kill this person, this Lev Kravchenko. I'm gonna take his jacket. I don't know what I'll do to him if he comes in front of me. He just kills me from side to side, I'm coming, bro. I'm coming. Bro, you shouldn't do that. Yeah, that's not a good idea. Bravo is ours. Bravo is ours. Bro, Bravo is ours. Why are you so worried? Okay, we lost. What? 50?
हार गए यार.
Okay, I used to play ranked. I thought why? How did the rank, I used to play ranked, so I'm not sure how it ended on, only 50 points. In ranked, it's 75. Where is Alpha? क्या? बताना.
भाई मैंने अपने लोडाउट में हर एक कैटेगरी की एक गन रखी है.
Oh wow, really?
मतलब कि शॉटगन, एलएमजी.
Is that even possible? I didn't know that. Wow, that is such a pro thing to do, bro. Badla, 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 badla. Last time I told you guys that that was some sissy singing, but this time it's out of enjoyment. And I forgot to show you guys the glitch. I'm gonna show you if I kill the Lev Kravinchko right now. Yeah. I wasn't able to. However, I'm going to show you the glitch right now. Wait a second. Just wait a second. I'm sorry that our team is going to lose this match eventually because I'm not going to be helping them. Sorry, Devil. What? Losing the? No. You ain't doing that, bro. That's what you do. I'm down. Need backup. Yeah, whatever. Where is it? I gotta go to that point. I gotta go to that point where, we have the glitch. Can you jump that up? Oh, whoa. I didn't know this place. What? What is that? Like you jump off a building from anywhere and you just get killed? I thought that it was at a specific place, but it just happens anywhere, I guess.
भाई अभी भी लीड ले सकते हैं यार हम लोग. बहुत सही. अरे यार.
Yeah. We tied for the lead. How? We got 2 points. How are we tied for the lead, bro?
बहुत सही. बहुत सही.
No. You ain't getting the Bravo point, bro. I'm here.
अरे यार. ओ भाई बहुत सही. पर लेकिन मैंने उसको मार दिया था. ब्रावो चला गया यार. बहुत सही ब्रावो.
What the hell? They're so stubborn. Nice.
Reloading.
I'm gonna be camping here. What the hell? Thanks, bro. Thanks. What the hell? What happened to him? Why did he freeze like that? That's such a bad glitch, I'm telling you. Trip mine. She thought it was the enemy team's trip mine. No, dude. Yeah, we won the match. Guys, if you like this video, drop in a like. Subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you, Nova Gamer. Just stay at home, stay safe, and keep watching the Phenomenal Code. Till then, just have a nice day. Bye.